Good morning. We're in Chiang Khong, right across the river, the Mekong River from Laos.
We got here yesterday via the bus. It was, I think, like $4 per person, $3 or $4 per person, 2-hour ride from Chiang Rai to the border of Laos and Thailand. It was a bit chilly. Got down to 49 last night, I believe. But during the day, it's perfect weather in the 70s. So today we are just gonna go check out this town a little bit, get our paperwork together for our longboat ride. But for now, we're gonna go get some khao soi. Made it to the khao soi place. We stopped at a few of them, but they were closed. And this one is like a little over a mile away.
Looks like it's the northern style khao soi.
Oh, it looks good though. I'm gonna put some, I bought some crackling pork skins, pork rinds to put on top.
Yeah, that's good flavor.
Is it spicy?
It's clear, not very spicy, meaty. With a little bit of like cilantro taste and onion. It's good.
Did you put any sauce in it yet?
Not yet. It's like ground beef or ground pork.
As you can see, there's noodles, cilantro, there's bean sprouts.
A lot of ground pork.
Yeah, ground pork and green onions. We stopped for some tea.
Iced peach tea.
And I got a peach soda. This is really good. I was gonna go for a bubble tea, and then I saw the sign for the peach soda instead, and I got one.
We just did the passport control, leaving Thailand, and we are about to get on the bus to the Laos border. We're gonna take the boat, slow boat down the Mekong River. So that's gonna be a lot of fun.
So this is one of these guys. And it's like that one.
Around that area on the east side.
So we are currently on the mighty Mekong. We are on our way down to Luang Prabang, but we are stopping halfway to Luang Prabang to spend the night and then continue our journey on tomorrow. But even before we get to our hotel for tonight, we're gonna stop at one of the villages and check it out. So this is the Laos side. Laos. This is Laos, and that's Thailand. I'm in the front of the boat, and there's about 32 people. And then we're gonna have lunch here shortly at around noon. Our first stop. It's got a little hill, but it's it's hard to climb because of the sand. Look, we struck gold.
All in now we have 50 every group, but we separate into big main group, three. So first is Lalum, second Khmu, third is Hmong. So all of these language, they have different language speaking, different culture, different tradition, different costume. But today we will focus on Khmu tribe.
We are visiting a Khmu village. Shout out to my girl Lisa and Damon. Thanks for watching. We're just gonna take a quick tour of the village.
It's better now. Before, the lady have to use the smash and stick like this.
They would gladly take some donations for the school. Help out the kids. That was nice, quick stop in the village. Now we're getting back on the boat. Continue with our journey.
We made it here, Pak Bang. It's our halfway point from our slow boat, and we're just gonna walk up to our place. We've got these nice steep stairs here. Here we go.
Alright, this is our room.
Turn some light on.
There we go. And here she is.
That's it. And if we want just to hide everybody outside, we could, just like this.
This is just a room for the night. It's
Yep.
a nice view though.
Yeah, this
Here's
is
the
just
bathroom.
a shower bathroom,
Alright,
classic style.
just one night.
Yep.
We are tired and
And we're not gonna hang out here. We're just gonna go get some dinner. We can probably save these for tomorrow. And let's go eat.
this is Nagi of Mekong. This is the cruise that we did. It takes 2 days, one night here in
Pak Bang.
Pak Bang, and then tomorrow we continue on to Luang Prabang. This cruise we splurged on because it costs $160 per person. It includes your lodging, includes lunch for today and lunch for tomorrow, and breakfast. Day 2 of our tour down the mighty Mekong. Checking out, and I don't know what time we're gonna get to Luang Prabang. Probably by dinner time. Be another 8 hours on the water today.
Yeah, 8 to 9. We stopped by some caves on the way.
Oh yeah, that's right. Today. All right, we'll see you later. leaving the cave. Our next stop is going to be another village. But I think this next village is going to be selling stuff. Right, Carl?
That's what they're saying. It's a souvenir village.
Souvenir village.
Oh, okay.
Really sweet. A little bit sour to it. Not bad. It's actually really sweet.
We finally made it to Luang Prabang. After 2 days on the river, we are back on land. Well, we weren't on the water the whole time. We had a great time on our cruise. It was quite an experience.
Mostly relaxing.
Yeah, no regrets.
Yeah.
We're glad we did it. And it was with Naga of Mekong. That was the company we went through. In case you are curious, in case I didn't say it before.
Nagi of Mekong.
Yeah. But we're gonna sign out from here. We're gonna get some cash and then go relax in our room, go out, get some dinner. Thank you so much for coming along with us on this
Thanks a lot.
cruise. And
We'll see you soon.
bye.